Imagine waking up to the sound of birds instead of alarm clocks, your morning coffee brewing just a few feet away from a window that frames the open road. This isn't a fantasy, this is real life inside the 2026 affordable living RV. And the best part? No rent, no mortgage, no utility bills eating away your paycheck. Just pure, affordable freedom on wheels. This RV isn't about luxury you can't afford, it's about smart design that makes every inch count. From the outside, it looks sleek and compact, but step in, and you'll be shocked at how much comfort fits into this tiny home on wheels. The interior feels like a modern studio apartment, with clever folding furniture, a space-saving kitchenette, and even a cozy bed that turns into a couch during the day. Everything here has a purpose, every corner tells a story of thoughtful engineering. Now imagine having your entire home move with you. Whether you park it by a lake, in a quiet forest, or near the city lights, this 2026 living RV adapts to your lifestyle. It's perfect for anyone tired of paying endless rent or chasing apartments that never feel like home. You can live rent-free, travel, and still enjoy all the essentials: water, power, Wi-Fi, and a space that actually feels yours. The creators behind this RV understood one simple thing: life is too short to be spent paying for walls that don't move. They've built this vehicle with affordability and sustainability in mind. Solar panels power your essentials. Lightweight materials keep fuel costs low. And an advanced insulation system means you stay cozy whether it's snowing in the mountains or scorching under the desert sun. It's not just a vehicle, it's independence. What really makes this RV stand out isn't just its price, it's the lifestyle it unlocks. People across the world are ditching traditional homes, choosing simplicity, and chasing experiences instead of possessions. And this RV is the perfect entry point. You can work remotely, explore new cities, meet amazing people, and still have your own private, comfortable home waiting at the end of every adventure. Inside, the LED lighting gives off a warm, relaxing glow. The kitchen, though small, has everything you need: a compact fridge, an induction cooktop, and smart storage that keeps clutter out of sight. There's even a small dining nook that doubles as a workspace. And when night falls, the panoramic window gives you front row seats to nature's show, whether it's stars, rain, or sunrise over the horizon. So if you've ever dreamed of freedom, real freedom, the kind that doesn't come with monthly bills and noisy neighbors, the 2026 affordable living RV might just be your ticket out. It's not about living less, it's about living smarter, lighter, and freer. The open road is waiting. The only question is, where will you go first? Because home isn't about where you stay. It's about how you live. And this little RV? It just might change the way you think about living forever.